Just a very quick look at the Solana cryptocurrency. There's actually a few things that I actually wanted to share with you guys on the monthly chart, and that is that the market had given us an overextended double structure here, which has a neckline there, and because the structure, as I always say, started here more or less, we expect it to continue all the way to that point to close, as I said, pretty much in line with where it started. Another thing that I also wanted to mention is that we have this candlestick over here, and as you guys can see, what it is a bearish candlestick which has quite a small body and quite a long lower wick, and as you know, that means we have a lot of liquidity stuck there, and that liquidity represents money, and that money needs to be triggered by the market at one point or another. So as much as we are in a very strong upward trend, it is quite possible that we may see price from that level actually move further down to this level to trigger that liquidity, and then at this level is where we may potentially see the market move further up to around that point, right? That's number two. The last point that I wanted to make is that if we were to actually look at this area over here, we would see that we actually have that candlestick. Again, it is a bullish candlestick, excuse me, with a small body and a long upper wick. And again, it means we have a lot of liquidity stuck there, and there is money, as I said, and it ties in with how we had this double bottom over here, which started here, and ideally we want to see the market head up to that point to close pretty much in line with where it had started, right? So what am I saying? So what I'm saying, in other words, is that there is plenty of scope for the market to continue this upward move to around this level, especially because we have that candlestick, right? So should price from where it is currently actually move further down to around here to grab the liquidity associated with that candlestick, I would look for potential buy opportunities at this point. And if I do indeed find any good ones at this level, my take profit should be around here, which is in line with the previous all-time high, as you guys can see, and that is primarily because we have that candlestick that's carrying a lot of liquidity, and to add to that, we know that we have a lot of money stuck in and around this area over here.